Hello everybody, thanks for watching. My name is Mike MD, automotive expert. Today we're going to be talking about what you must do before your new car runs out of warranty. Okay, so you have a new car, the warranty is about to expire, but you want to keep your car after the warranty. Alright, so this is what you need to do. If you have a family mechanic or auto repair shop that you deal with, not on your new car, but some other cars you may have, it's a good idea to bring your car in before it's out of warranty. You have him check it out and see if you can find anything wrong with the car. This is very important because you think, well, my car's under warranty. When I bring it in and I have a problem, they're gonna catch everything, right? No, they're not, because this is what they do. The dealership really wants to do repairs on your car, but they have their hands tied from the manufacturer. They can only do repairs if you, the customer, has complained about the issue, unless it's safety related or recall related. Let me give you an example. You bring your car in for an oil service, okay? Your warranty is about to expire, and they do the oil service because it's covered under the maintenance warranty and the new vehicle warranty, all right? So, but you have an oil leak that's about to start leaking, right? It's just seeping a little bit. Well, they're not gonna fix it more than likely. They're gonna look the other way. They can't because you haven't complained about it. And what I mean by that is, you have to go in there actually saying, hey, I noticed something leaking on the ground as well, can you check that out? Because it needs to be written on the repair order, the original copy. Sometimes they can add a line to the repair order, but it messes stuff up on the back end, on their matrix and things like that, so they just can't. I mean, dealerships get audited for stuff just like this, so you can only imagine the stuff they have to go through. So that's why it's important to have your family mechanic check the car out before you go in, so you have a list. If you don't have a family mechanic or an auto shop that you trust, that you can tell them what you're doing, then this is what you need to do. You need to get a pen and paper and write this down. This is very important. So you want to use your 5 senses, okay, when you go in there, besides taste. Okay, so you go in there saying, you know what, I smell a funny burning smell. And that's very generic. So the technician, he's gonna try to find something to replace, okay? Either a gasket that's starting to leak or whatever. He's gonna try to find something. And if he can't find anything, then he can't find anything. But guess what? He's gonna try to find something. That's the whole point. The other thing you wanna say is, hey, when I'm hitting my brakes, I feel a little vibration and I hear a squeaky sound, okay? So you're again, you're using your 5 senses, the feel and your hearing. So just be very vague. Don't say when it happens, just be like, I don't know when it happens, I just hear it every now and then and it's really loud, people are staring at me. So again, the technician, he's gonna get the car, he's gonna try to find something. If the brakes are getting close and they're allowed to replace them, they'll probably replace them. Another one, you say, hey, I noticed a fluid leaking on the ground, 2 different colors. I'm not sure what it is, it's like a brown and then one of them's like a blue and a green. I have no clue what it is, but I see it there. Like once a week I see something. Again, you can see where I'm going with this. He's gonna try to find some kind of leak of something. Now guys, this is only important if you plan on keeping the car once the warranty is out. If you plan on trading it in, then this video isn't for you basically, but it's good knowledge anyway. And guys, another reason why this is important to do it early on and not like the last day is because it's gonna raise a red flag. If you come in like 2 days before your warranty is up, they're gonna be like pound sand, you know? But if you come months before, and it still gives you that leeway to kind of like get the feel of the car with those new repairs. And if you notice anything in between that time, then you can address it a second time and go in before the warranty is actually expired. Guys, thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you want more expert advice from Mike MDs.